Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and this is an update on my fish in my bedroom. All my guppies and everything are still alive, and I'm just fed them their breakfast. Um, my little everybody's doing good. All my guppies are up here. Swordtail guppies, my little neon tetra, my little I forgot what that one is, but he's doing good. My dolphins are over here somewhere. They like to hide, in my two little snails up here are doing really good. See if I can find my dolphins. Are probably still sleeping in there somewhere. They like to hide, but they're one of my favorite. Now, I lost one swordtail, but I have a swordtail in here. And my blue tail, I can't remember, tetra, I think. I hope you all enjoy. God bless, and I love you. Bye. Love you. Nature Walks with Dawn.